My name is Heno Pranga. I am the Regional Electoral Officer responsible for the mighty Wangwena region. Today is the 26th of November. We are just here at the police station, another police station where all our team are departing to go to their polling station across the region. So as you can see behind me, we had a very busy day today. We have been deploying the teams since we came here 6 o'clock early morning. So we wanted those teams that are going very far to be assisted first, so that we give them a chance, so that we give them also time to travel and reach their destination on time, and that will also allow them to have time to set up their polling station on time. So as you can see, the officials are ready. They are ready for tomorrow. Come 7 o'clock, all the polling stations in Wangwena will be open. So I just urge all the eligible voters in Wangwena region to come in numbers and cast their votes tomorrow, so that we make sure that we all exercise our democratic rights. So